welcome back to the channel. It's for another Buc-ee's construction update. We're in Huber Heights, Ohio. Today is June the 20th, 2025, and it is the first day of summer, and it is hot out here.
Someone flipped the switch, didn't they?
You know, we just don't gradually go into a season. We just go, hi, we're here.
And being hot is probably not a good thing for those construction workers out there, because the big news this week is the roof is being installed.
Yep.
We flew the drone over the construction site, and it looks like about 2/3 of the roof is in place. It's got to be very hot up there for those guys. And probably by the time this video gets uploaded to YouTube, which will be Monday or Tuesday, that roof will be 100% laid out up there. But that's the big news for this week. As far as other updates, the exit ramp from I-70 West to State Route 235 still works in progress there. Probably got a few more weeks, if not months, before that's complete. The road updates on Center Point Boulevard, still not allowed to drive on that yet, but it looks like it's about done. One other thing, the South Fuel Pump Island area, you're starting to see a little more definition for a parking lot on the west side of the fuel pumps. Won't be a very large one, but you can see the outlines of where the islands are going to go. North parking lot still being used for supplies and offices. The fuel pump islands on the north and the south, you can still see where they're doing some work there, getting the lines installed. So everything's progressing along here. It's just going to take some time. And you know, even when they get the building done, there's a lot of work needs done on the inside of that building.
Yeah. It'd be nice to go inside and capture a little of that, but that's probably never going to happen.
So you might have to fly the drone down into the building, a little FPV style.
Put a light on it so you can see, unless they got the power on.
The field across the street from Arts Road, the bulldozer that was in the center of the field has been moved, but still don't really think it has anything to do with Buc-ee's, but we'll keep you updated on it. There's also some more paving equipment behind that field, behind the Shell station across the street from Buc-ee's. Not real sure where they're going to be paving, but
might be paving this road.
Might be. We thought they were going to pave it earlier, so maybe we were right.
They would have just done it all one, but oh well.
So I think that's going to do it for this week. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of these Buc-ee's construction update videos. As always, thanks for watching.
We'll see you down the road.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Happy summer.
Happy summer, guys.
Here's a look at the retail building with about 2/3 of the roof in place. This view shows the definition to the west side of the South Fuel Pump Island. Here we can see the area for the underground fuel storage tanks, the North Fuel Pump Islands, and also the North parking lot, which is full of equipment and offices. This is the exit ramp from I-70 West to State Route 235. You can see the construction continues on this exit ramp. This is the field across the street from the Buc-ee's at the intersection of Arts Road and Technology Boulevard. You can see the bulldozer that was in the center of the field has been moved. You can also see some paving equipment sitting along Technology Boulevard. This is Center Point Boulevard. You can see the new lane that's been installed here. Not able to drive on it yet, but it looks like most of the work is complete.